before we get into the cleaning portion, I wanted to share some of the things that I have picked up these past couple of months because they are so good and I believe they're still available. I just wanted to tell you guys before they sold out. First things first, I have to share these. These stems here are from At Home. They're $8.99 and they are a dupe for the Pottery Barn ones. I think the Pottery Barn ones are $40 for 2 stems, and these are only $8.99. They are so beautiful. I will link them down below. I waited forever for them to be available to be shipped to my house, but it was totally worth it. I'm glad I didn't splurge on the Pottery Barn ones. I got four of them, and they just look so pretty all together. I'm in love with them. All right, so the next thing that I purchased are these towels from Marshalls. I think they're hand towels, yeah. I don't know why I like them. Just thought they were cute. I think those are flowers. I don't know, but I figured they'd be appropriate for summer. The next couple of things that I'm gonna show you guys are from Target. I have come across some really nice artwork from Target. I came across this one. I can't remember how much they were because none of these have a price, but I loved that the frame is black and then it has that really nice gold detail to it. And the colors aren't too like in your face. They're pretty muted. So I don't know, I like that right now. I'm kind of like in a moody phase. This one was another one here. I believe these are all from like the studio. No, not the Studio Muggy. Threshold, maybe? I might be wrong. I'll link them for you guys either way. That little pot here reminds me of that one that I will talk about in a bit. I don't know, I just thought it was so pretty. And then the last one is this one here. This one also has that black wood frame, but it's more, I don't know if it's like distressed. And then it has that gold detail as well. I don't know. I just really like that one. This is from Home Goods. Oh my God, I drew a blank. But yeah, I don't even know which way it goes. I think it goes like this. But it's just like a wood frame. And it has this really pretty artwork here. And the colors aren't like too in your face bright, which is what I like. I think this one was $14.99. And I finally had the chance to shop at Olive Atelier. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I came across this really pretty glazed vase. I thought it was so pretty. I think this one was $70. I can't remember. It doesn't have the price on there. So I got that one. I just like the little handles on there. I thought that was so cute. This one here, this stool is a mini elm stool. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. It's just, I love all the distressing on it. I thought it was super cute. I think that one was $30 or $35. And then last but not least is this vase from Walmart. I can't remember how much this one was either because again, I got it a while back, but I did check. It's still available. So I'll link it for you guys. They have a small version and then they have a bigger version. But yeah, I really like this one. And again, I will go ahead and link as much as I can down below. Let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. Well, I did quickly want to show you guys my new cup or tumbler, whatever it's called. I picked this up at Marshalls for $12.99 and I saw it and I figured maybe if I have a cute cup like this to drink water, it will encourage me to drink it more. And so far, so good.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, where did she go? Oh, was I supposed?
So while I'm here washing dishes, I figured I'd take this time to say thank you so much for being patient with me. I know I haven't been on here in what, like 4 months? It's been a hot minute. And I wish that I can say that I have like some exciting news and that's why I was gone for so long. We moved, or, we did some renovations or just something cool like that. But in all honesty, I'm just an average, normal person, just trying to get through each day. My kids were sick. I was sick. I had appointments for them and myself, therapy sessions. My daughter had ballet, tumbling. It's just a lot that was going on. And in all honesty, I just felt very overwhelmed, very frustrated because the kids were sick nonstop. And yeah, I mean, it was a much needed break, but I am so happy to be back. You guys have no idea. I prayed about it a lot. I wasn't sure if it was something that God wanted me to continue doing. So I don't know. But I'm here. I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. I can't wait to start filming more for you guys. So I am just wiping down the sink area before I put away the rest of the dishes there. And you guys are going to be getting like a glimpse of my open shelves. Let's just ignore it, please. I just have all kinds of random stuff in there. I don't know, I have like a cake stand that I used for my daughter's birthday and I put it up there and I'm like, oh, I'll put it away later. It's been a month and it's still there. I think I have like a cheese grater up there that I don't even remember when I used. But yeah, it's just like random things that I throw up there. And then let's not talk about my countertops, guys. It's just full of cutting boards and decorations, and it just feels very, very cluttered. So I am looking forward to just redecorating my kitchen. I actually already started with my coffee area, and oh, I love the way it came out. I have very few things on it. I'm going for a more minimal look, and I don't know, it's just like a whole vibe there. And no, I'm not doing the minimal look because it's trending right now. I'm doing it for my sanity. Trust me, guys, it gives me anxiety to have so much stuff on my countertops, in my kitchen in general, because I'm always in here, but it gives me anxiety. And even if the decor pieces or whatever it is that I have on my countertops is functional, when you add that to all of like the everyday messes, it just makes things look so crowded, or just, I don't know. Point is, I'm going to be doing a kitchen decorate with me soon. I'm excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. right, so my little coffee area is going to be the last place that I clean. I was planning on cleaning the living room for you guys, but my kids were playing in there, and you know, at least I got the kitchen clean, so beggars can't be choosers. But my coffee area does look different because I redecorated this little spot here. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on my next video. But anyhow, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I missed you guys so much. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I'll just let you guys listen to some music. I'll talk to you all in the next one, God willing. Bye.